Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. On this video, I'm going to show you how I maximize my paper products. Besides paper products being expensive, lately it's been hard to find them on store shelves. So I try to find ways to extend the life of my paper towels. Just pick a good quality paper towel. I prefer the select and tear kind, where you can tear off a small section of paper towel. Just prepare your paper towels and bring out your cutting board. Remove the plastic wrapping and cut your paper towel with a sharp knife crosswise. This is not gonna double the life of your paper towels, but for me it extends the life of my paper towels up to 40%. Now you have shorter paper towels. Sometimes you only need a small piece to clean up small messes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and watch out for my other videos. Until next time, have a great day.